Hello everyone, welcome to Berylawesfashion channel. Thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. I appreciate your love and your comments. And if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe so that whenever I upload videos, you'll be among those that will be notified. In today's class, I'll be showing us how to make different types of necklines. Yes, it's not all the time that you make neckline. There are other necklines I'm going to show you how to make. So let's get started. So the first one that we will be starting with is our sweetheart neckline. And how do we go about it? The first thing you are going to do is to ask your client, measure on your client how wide she wants her neckline to be. For the purpose of this class, I'm going to be doing 3.5 inches. That is the width. And like I said, the depth depends on what your client wants as well. So what I will just do is to take any of my curved ruler, my handle curve, and connect such that I will have sweetheart neck. Or before then, since you have asked your client how deep she wants it to be, you can just mark here. I'm doing, okay, let's do 5. Let's do 5. So what you just do is to move this way to the 5 inches that you have done. Then take your curve ruler or arm curve and you connect depending on how deep the person wants it to be. As I said earlier, this is 1. If it's too deep, you could take this up this is another one, depending on where she wants it to be. So that is why you need to ask your client first. So we are going to be working with the second one, not this. And if you prefer this one, that means you cut it. The most important thing is for you to know how to go about it. So I'm going to cut it now. Remember that this will be on fold when you're cutting on your fabric. Our sweetheart neckline is ready. You can see how simple it is. So move to another one. So the next one we want to do is, you see that I've transferred my shoulder dart to the side here. You can transfer your dart to anywhere. So let's assume that you don't want your dart to be on the shoulder. Maybe you want to make a dress, maybe a kaftan dress, and you don't want your dart to be there, so you can transfer it to the side. So this way, if it's kaftan neckline you want to do, there are several kaftan necklines you can make. So let's make use of where the first dart leg is on the neck. Then measure from here how deep the person wants it. Let's say 1.5. Then measure like 3 inches again from there. So the first thing we're going to do is to connect this U neckline first, something like this. And we should use this other curve. Okay, connect this way. Then here you could do half of an inch, and that means that by the time you open it, it will be 1 inch. So since you are using half of an inch here, by the time you open the two, remember this is half, so by the time you open the front, it will be on fold. You'll be having the opening here will be 1 inch. If you want more than that, maybe you want 1.5, it means that from here you take 0.7 inches. So that way you connect this way. We are going to cut it now. Most times you see this type of neck in kaftan or in a dress. This is the neckline. It will be like this. Let me draw it for you so that you can understand. It will be something like this. By the time you open it, it's like this. Sorry, it will be like this. So you can be creative with your necklines. You don't have to stick to one neckline. So it will be like this. So move to another neckline. This one, let's do keyhole neckline. Keyhole neckline is more or less like this one we did here, just that there is a little adjustment. Rather than having that V shape, you'll be having round, something like keyhole, like circle rather. So depending on what you want, let's do 4 inches, sorry. Then you connect to where you want it to be. Then from here, you decide on how low or deep you want the keyhole to be. Then again, you take your armhole curve, you will have measured anyway. Maybe you want to do 1.5 here. So what you want to do is you want to connect it this way. Okay. Be adjusting your, just use my hand. Okay, we'll be having something like this. And if you want a bigger hole, you come this way, depending on what you want. But take note of your bust point, because if it's too deep, it will be revealing the person's bust. So you need to put that into consideration. So let's cut it out so that you see how it is. I'm going to cut the second one. By the time you cut it on fold, this other one will be like this at the other side. So you can see how lovely the neck is. So the next one that I want us to make is V-neck line. But this time around, I want it to be curvy neck. You see what I'm talking about? That way, your width will not be too wide. So I'm doing like 3.5 inches width. Then deepness, I want it to be like 7 inches. This is what I meant. This is one type of V neckline. I don't want this type of neckline. What I want is, I want it to be curvy a bit, and yet it will still be V neckline. Look at it this way. It's still V, but it's curvy. It's not straight. Curvy V neckline. This one is always finer than the first one. You see how lovely it is. So we cut it out. That is our curvy V neckline. So the next one we want to do is scoop neckline. It's always deep, while your width will be small. So we are doing 3 inches width. Then the deepness here, you can do 5.5 from the neck of the tip of the neck. So you do it this way. You can see how deep the neck is. This is called scoop neckline, and it's always fine. The next one we want to do is asymmetric neckline. For any asymmetric design you want to make, you need the full front neckline. That is why I have it here. So let's assume that you want your asymmetric neckline to stop at the second armhole. This is how to go about it. Take your ruler from the second leg of the dart to this place. If you notice, you see that this place is a bit short. So what you will do is you place another paper under with your masking tape. Secure it with your masking tape. So this way you connect to the under half. This is what will have been shortened from it if you have not put paper under. So this way you can have one neckline. Another way you can do it, it can be curvy. It doesn't have to be straight. So whichever way you want it, depending on what you have in mind to create. This is another one. It's curvy. It's not straight. It's not straight like this other one. This is one way of doing it. Another thing you can do is, maybe you don't want it to reach the underarm. Maybe you still want to have a second sleeve here, but you want it to be low. You could come this way. This way, if you have it this way, that means you cut from here, this side off, then you still need to attach your part of your sleeve here. But if you don't want sleeve at all, you are going to cut either this or this, depending on whether you want it to be straight or not. And there are still some other necklines that they are asymmetric. Let me show you. Let's put this first. So decide from here how wide and low you want it to be. Then from here you do round. Just want to show you that there are different types of asymmetric lines. So you have done round here. Here, let's measure what we have gotten here. This is 4.5. So here you could do straight. You could do something like this. Instead of round this way, you come like this. So this side is round, while this one is like square neck. Or you can still come down this way, come down like this, maybe here. So from here, from the center, from this side of the neck, you come like this. This is actually one style of neckline. Let me cut it so that you can see what I'm talking about. What asymmetric simply means is that both the left and the right side, they are not the same. They are having different necklines. It's not all the time that you do one neckline for your client. You have to be creative with neckline. This is one style. And if you want everything to go like I said before, this is how to go about it. You don't want to see that at this side. So this one is gone. So you can see how simple it is to have different types of neckline. These are not the only types of necklines we have. We have more of them. We still have more. I will advise you to read. The more you read, the more you know about this work. Designers are readers. We read a lot. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, and please share our video with your friends, and let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section. That will mean a lot for me. Thank you very much.